guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys the ways how you can create a perfect base before you do your makeup. So let's get started. Also, few things that I have to tell you before, that you don't have to use the exact products that I'm going to mention throughout the video. These are the products that I use and I personally really love them, and hence I use them, but you can use any product that you want to use, anything that suits your skin tone or your skin type or anything as such. So let's get started. Always, to first start with, I'm going to tell you one thing. In order to get the perfect base, you have to make sure your skin is actually good beneath. You should always take care of all these skincare things that you're supposed to do. So to begin with, I'm going to use the Face Shop toner. This is the toner that I'm going to use. The next that I'm going to use for the moisturizer would be this, which is by Cetaphil. I really love this moisturizer. Always make sure that you use a sunscreen, and the one which I'm going to use is by Neutrogena. This is the one that I love using. It's pretty affordable, both the products. Okay, so guys, once I'm done with all the skincare regime, I'm going to go ahead and first start with a primer. So I'm using this primer by Colorbar. I'm just going to take a little bit of the product just to ensure that this creates a good barrier between the makeup and my skin, in order to protect my skin from all the makeup and harsh ingredients it may contain. So I'm just going to take a bit. I'm using it over here under my eyes, onto your forehead, and all the places you think it's perfect to use, you know. Once I'm done with my primer, I'm going to go ahead with a foundation and a concealer. So for the foundation today, I'm using this Milani Correct Plus Conceal foundation. It does its job really well. It has a very beautiful consistency. Love this. And for the concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this so much, you guys. This is one of my favorite concealer. Like, I love it. From the drugstore, of course, but it is so good, you guys. I cannot tell you enough. Also, to blend on my foundation, I'm going to use this Wet Beauty Blender. This one. And for the concealer, I would be using the smaller one. So these are the two beauty blenders that I'm going to use. This one to go under my eyes and all the things, and this bigger one is to reach all my face area. So let's get started. Alright guys, so once I'm done with the foundation and my concealer, I'm going to use this compact from M.A.C. I'm in the shade 44.5, and I'm also going to go ahead and use this buffing brush. It just does its job really well. That's it, you guys. I'm done with my base makeup. Now I'm going to go ahead and complete the other step. All my acne spots and everything is all just blurred away. So now it's all filtered. You really don't need any sort of a filter if you know how to do your base makeup really well. So Don't tell it to anybody else, okay? For the next, I'm going to use this blush by Sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly do that. Since it's in the stick formula, it does the job really well. I personally love using blush so much, so I know I make like a clown face using the blush, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. The end result is everything, damn. End result is everything. Got it? Now I'm going to move ahead and use a contouring stick to contour all my face really well. So let's get started. Tush tush tush. I wish I could do it like that, but just watch it and learn, okay? So you're gonna do like this. While I cut my cheeks, I make sure that I do not cut it very harsh, but it should look very structured, right? So we're gonna go ahead with that. So I'm gonna show you one side here by doing it. So we're gonna go from here to here. Blend this out with my fingertips, so watch it. Okay, so again for my brows, I'm going to use Nykaa's Brow Girl. I don't know, I love this so much. For lining my eyes, I'm using the K Beauty's black eyeliner. It's in the shade Black Canvas. To voluminize my eyes, I'm firstly going to go ahead with this. It just lifts your natural lashes really well. So I'm just going to do this. I'm holding it for some time to create a pressure, and I'm going to do the same thing with my next eye. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to wear falsies off camera. So I'm done with my eyes. For my highlight, I'm using this palette from Sugar, and I'm going to use the shade, this one, as a highlighter. So let's just go ahead. So let's just put it over the nose. And then over my this. On the cupids. And on my eyebrow. I'm just highlighting whole face basically, so do not judge. So I'm done with my face. So next I'm going to move ahead with my lipstick, and this complete the whole look basically. And this is the one which I'm going to use. This is by Miss Claire, and I think I'm in the shade 10, so this is like really good. Don't worry, I'll be linking all the products down below in the description box, so you're not going to miss out on anything. So I'm just going to go ahead quickly and apply. That's it for my look, you guys. I'm done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe, because I'm going to come up with a new video every single week. So till then, till my next video, take care. Bye.